Now let's start with the practice of the sun salutation with the use of blocks. Place the blocks by the side of your feet. Now let's start the practice. Adapt Namaskar Mudra. Now inhale and raise your arms up with a slight back bend, stretching your neck back. Maintain with normal breathing. Again inhale. As you exhale, bend forward. Placing your palms over the blocks. With the support, try to bend forward.
Namaskar.
Then slowly take your left leg behind. With the support, try to stretch your back leg as much as possible and look up. You can adjust the block to your convenient distance. Now slowly let's move on to the plank position. Take your right leg behind and bring your body to straight line. Now let's move on to the baby pose. Keep your knees on the ground and sit back on the heels. With your palms rested on the blocks. Now slowly come to Ashtanga Namaskara. With your 8 parts of your body touching the ground. Now slowly come up to upward facing dog position. Stretching your entire body, giving a good upward stretch to your spine. Now let's do the down dog position. Pressing your heels on the ground, your chin to the chest. Now slowly bring your left leg in front. In between the blocks, try to extend your back leg and stretch back. Slowly bring your back leg to the front for the forward bending pose. Now slowly come up, stretching your hands behind. Give a slight back bend. And come back to Namaskar Mudra. Slowly relax. You can spread your legs a little, tie your hands behind, and relax in standing position.